Welcome back in, guys. Trey Lowell here with Lowell Productions, and in today's video we're going to be spending some time talking about a $100 lavalier set from the guys over at Movo, coming up next. So let's say you're a YouTuber, a full-time filmmaker, or someone just honestly kind of making videos for fun. One thing that we all know amplifying videos is good audio and a good audio source. Now the guys over at Movo have recently sent me their wireless lavalier set coming in at $99.95. Now I'm going to be honest with you, for most people out there, that's not going to break the bank, and that's why I'm excited to take a look at this wireless microphone set to see if it's a valuable option for YouTube or filmmaking in general. So, just got it in the mail the other day, super pumped, and when I pulled it out of the box, the one thing I noticed super quick is that it is extremely tiny. At the $100 price mark, you can use it for your DSLRs, you can use it for your mirrorless, you can even use it for higher end cameras, and you can also use it for your iPhone, provided that you use the iPhone cord that the guys gave us. Now, rather than yapping about it more, let's go ahead and set it up and get a real sense for how this audio and how this product just functions in general. So simply put, we're gonna rig it up to the top of the Panasonic GH4, gonna screw it into the hot shoe mount. We're then going to go ahead and take our line in/out to the actual camera, going into the headphone jack, whoop, right there, or the mic input on the Panasonic GH4. As you guys can see, it's already super tiny. We're gonna go ahead, turn on the camera, and then also we're gonna fire up the Movo. Boom. Simply put, we're going to turn it on and you're going to get this little blue indicator light. Now here we have the transmitter, same size, super tiny, and it's got a little clip here, which is nice because I'm going to put that on my belt loop. We are going to plug this bad boy in into the line, the microphone in, turn it on. Should have our blue indicator light firing up, as you guys can see here, and we're going to just go ahead and pair by holding down the pair button on the transmitter. Hold it down for a second, should start flashing, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but side by side, these two guys are basically communicating. They're flashing, giving me the signal that they are in communication. Now that being said, this is where we are going to, for the first time, gonna hit record on the old Panasonic. We're gonna be recording everything in the camera. That way it gives you guys more of an understanding, like a realistic vibe of what it would be like if you were to use it for your camera setup. Most YouTubers are trying to have a simple setup, and that's why I'm interested to see how this Movo mic is sounding. Now guys, I'm gonna be hearing it for the first time just like you in the video later, so let's go ahead and move on to what this would sound like outside. All right, so the truth, the overall conclusion of the $100 Movo lavalier wireless microphone set. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, I actually ended up being able to spend several days with this unit, with these devices, and I was able to check out the footage that you guys saw earlier, which I was pretty impressed with in regards to going straight into camera, shooting at a -12 in regards to the actual volume or gain on the Panasonic GH5, and we're currently outside using the Movo mic as well. Now that being said, we do have the wind muff on here, and that's because we're combating with a little bit of outdoor noise. But for $100 overall, I've been pretty impressed. Now there is one more test that I want to give you guys real quick, and that's going to be distance. So let's make that happen pretty quick. Check, check. Check. Can you hear me? I can still see the little volume levels going. And like I said online, I want to say it said 200 feet. Can you guys still hear me? Check, mic, check, 1, 2. We could even get a little bit more silly, and I feel like we'll go, Sadie, Sadie, zip it. Come on. Check, mic, check. 10, 9, 8. Can you still hear me? I have no idea. Hello, hello, hello. And I'll be honest with you, if that kind of range still works with this microphone, I guess I gotta say my overall take in regards to this microphone would be that coming in at $100,
a device that you could use for your smartphone, or you could use for your DSLR or mirrorless camera, any of the cameras that most of you guys are going to be looking at online or that you probably already own. This unit coming in at $99 I think is going to be a good fit for a lot of us out there. And if you're looking to kind of elevate your YouTube videos, if you're looking to kind of make your videos stand out, I think audio is one thing that we actually don't take in consideration enough. So if you're interested in this Movo wireless lavalier set, I'll have a description and below. And hey guys, as always, it's Trey Lowell with Lowell Productions. So since I actually got a chance to watch that footage and I was able to notice that the microphone was working even when I went this far, I'm going to try to get even more stupid with it and go way further. I think you guys saw the target back here in the video earlier. So let's go ahead and see if we can get all the way back here and see if we're still picking up audio. Hey, don't shoot me. I want to see if this microphone will pick me up this far. Check, check, check. Now, if it actually still did work out here, this would probably be the determining factor. And if you could actually hear me right now, these knuckleheads are over here shooting bows and arrows, so hopefully I don't get shot. But for you guys to get an understanding of like how the distance would be on this microphone, like I said earlier, when we were up here, we were able to get plenty of good audio. And now you guys have seen that we've gone all the way back there. And $100, your call. But I'd be honest with you, rather than spending $700 right off the bat, I'd rather spend $100 up front, get good quality audio, start to master that, learn some more in your editing softwares, things of that nature. And then if you're really looking to spend the mother load, go ahead and get way up in there into that prosumer / pro style lavalier market. As always, guys, Trey Lowell out.